Welcome to Chef of Style, the world best catering service. We increase our knowledge to Welcome to Chef of Style. My name is Chef Michael. Today we are going to make Jamaican chops. Yes, it's been a long time. People have been requesting this recipe. Now you know how to do it. I'm going to use 2 hard coconut and I have diced them very fine. I'm going to use 2 cups of brown sugar, and it have to be brown sugar. I'm going to use ½ cup of grated ginger. You can't make chops without ginger. Then I'm going to use vanilla, a little bit of nutmeg. Some people put almond in it, but you know, that's optional, you don't have to. Now I'm going to take my dry coconut, put on my pot of boiling water. I'm going to put my coconut in my pot and I'm going to boil this for 40 minutes. After I've boiled this for 40 minutes, then I'm going to add a little more water to it. Then I'm going to put in my brown sugar. Right now I'm going to put in my ginger. That's my ginger. Can cook with the coconut for flavor. You know, you have that chops, you need to have that ginger flavor in it. So I'm going to just allow this, let this cook, and I'll come back to you on Chef of Style. Okay viewers, welcome back to Making Jamaican chops. This is my coconut boiling with my ginger. Now I'm just gonna add my 2 cups of brown sugar. Yes, so that's it. Now I'm gonna give this a stir with my wooden spoon. Yeah. This is my Jamaican coconut chops. Oh my god. Ain't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, look at that. Smells so
that
nice.
always is color and creed.